Hey guys, does your Mavic do this? Today we're going to learn how to fix that. To fix an unstable Mavic hover, you're going to want to calibrate the IMU first and then calibrate the compass. Here's how you calibrate the IMU. Find a flat, perfectly level surface. You're going to want to check that with a level. I'm using a pizza stone because it's very flat, and you're going to want to make sure you're away from any magnetic fields or metal. And you're going to want to do this when the Mavic is cold, so let it sit overnight or something like that. Okay, so go to the menu, gonna hit the drone icon, scroll down to advanced settings, sensors, calibrate IMU. Most of this part is pretty easy. You're basically just gonna follow the on-screen directions here, so I'm not gonna say a whole lot and I'll just let you walk through it. Okay, so that's pretty much all you have to do an IMU calibration. Next, we're going to move on to compass calibration. Make sure to go ahead and restart the Mavic Pro before you do this. Compass calibration is located in the exact same spot that you do the IMU calibration. You just slide over and tap start. And you basically are going to hold it like this and spin around. Make sure to keep the controller away from you. The green light on the back of the Mavic will flash to tell you when to change it. And then you're going to basically rotate it 90 degrees sideways and spin again. If calibrating the IMU and compass does not work to fix your Mavic hover, the next thing you're going to want to look at is the rear arm braces. I actually had cracks right here in the corner on both sides, which allowed the arm to move upward more than it should, and it threw off the axis of the propeller. So I ended up replacing both of the rear arms, and I have a video on that below in the description if you want to check that out. If you can't get your Mavic hover stable after checking that out, and doing the calibrations, you're probably going to need to look into some of the logging or just send it into DJI for some repair. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. Please like and subscribe if you think this video is worth your time. Thanks for watching.